Most people come to this island for the beach and completely miss what it really has to offer.
We have so many good places.
Today, our local guide Berna wanted to show us what tourists don't get to see. This is not the kind of driving that I am used to.
Insane, every place is different.
Holy shit! What is this place, dude? By the end of the day, I understood how a place can be small on a map, but still be impossible to forget. This is Porto Santo, a small Portuguese island right next to Madeira. For 3 months, I had been living on Madeira, but I had never seen Porto Santo, so I asked my friend Dylan to join me on a day trip. Dylan and I have both seen a lot of beautiful places, but as soon as we met Berna, we realized this was going to be a new experience. Nice to meet you.
I'm Berna.
Dylan. So, get out of the crowds. This is what we do. Usually the people look to Porto Santo for the beach. What I'm gonna show today, it's this island with a different perspective.
At first, I thought this would be a simple day trip with a beach, a few viewpoints, and some beautiful shots. But the way Berna talked about the island made me understand we were only seeing the surface. He took us to these rock pools, a place I never would have thought to look for on my own.
For us, not even the top 10. They are very cool, but we have so many good places.
Yeah. I kind of just realized that seeing Porto Santo in just a few hours is probably not possible.
Yeah, it looks like in the first impression you can do it in 1 hour, but it's not like that. 1 week is not enough.
1 week is not enough,
No.
even a week.
Yeah, because this is full of details. So all around the corners,
yeah,
they have
it's like
some
Madeira.
very cool stuff. Madeira is the same. I think you already experienced that for sure.
Yeah. Berna put this to the test right away and started leading us into places I wouldn't know how to explore on my own. Here, every step mattered. Very slippery.
Very slippery. Don't go too stiff. Usually the mindset is when you were arriving home on your parents, but the parents not to listen to you.
Okay.
That's the way to go here. So you start to see why the people come, the colors. Sometimes the people say that we do a lot of Photoshop.
Have they actually told you that you guys do Photoshop before?
Oh, of course.
Up to this point, I thought Berna was showing us hidden locations. But once we got back in the car, I started realizing that the route between the locations was part of the experience too. So cool to have this type of car and be able to go anywhere, you know? It's freedom.
Yeah, I think you're gonna get back home and we'll buy one.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Definitely FPV time.
This is the road.
It will be for the next 30 seconds.
This is not the kind of driving that I am used to.
You are being baptized on off-road.
Yes.
So this rock has some very cool shapes, especially after you drink some punch, you see everything.
Of course. Berna told us there was a different way to reach the next location. This is when I understood that different viewpoints were not the only way to experience this island, because it's also about going down paths I definitely wouldn't have taken on my own.
This is an off-road day.
Yes. Yo, dude, I have a question for you. How much sand do you have in your shoes right now?
This is how much sand you get like after walking down this way over there.
Oh my god, dude, look.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. What the fuck? What is this place, dude? Wait, can we actually walk even further in here? What? I did not expect this at all. We are like inside this like crevasse here. By the way, don't look down at your feet.
Oh.
What is bro doing here? He lives here, dude. We're in his house.
That was insane, bro.
Yeah. It is a hectic day, but at the end of the day, I feel like this day will make memories. You know?
Oh yeah.
Like, are you gonna remember this day?
Yeah, absolutely. Like I didn't even know like that this place is so beautiful. I just saw it like on the map. It's a small island here. He's giving an amazing job to get like us to the places very early and to the right spots here everywhere, hidden secrets.
It's very underrated to have one of these tour guides, I feel like.
Yeah.
After the crevasse, I honestly thought we might have already seen the best part of the day. But that was the strange thing about this island. Every time I thought I understood what kind of place it was, Berna took us somewhere that made it feel completely different again.
Yeah, I loved it. I loved
Sorry
it.
about the bumps.
No, I'm good.
I was doing chirurgically the places where the sand moves with the wind. The reason is because we have a lot of fossilized species here. So, of course, a lot of people have jeeps that don't care what they're just going on. But I don't know if you noticed that we were always traveling on top of the soft sand, avoiding the fossilized areas.
After the desert, we stopped at a few more viewpoints. But instead of thinking about how much more we could see, I was thinking about what it would feel like to have all of this around me every day.
Do you ever get used to living in such a beautiful place, or?
The first impression when you come to the island, it seems that everything is claustrophobic, but quickly you understand that every day you have time for you. So I felt more claustrophobic when I was living in Lisbon. Here, every day, it's a day you can organize a barbecue with your friends.
Yeah.
Everybody is 5 minutes apart, so it's very, very nice to live.
I mean, I know you said this was a short day, but I actually feel like I'm gonna remember it for a long time. you know?
I did a great job.
Yes, this is what you guys do, right? You help create memories for people.
This is the way to bring people to the island. Sometimes the people come here just for the beach, and there is a lot more on this island than the beach.
I mean, I can tell, like, from the way you speak about everything, that you're very passionate about it.
I love this little nutshell on the middle of the ocean.
This has been, out of my 3 months in Madeira, definitely like one of the best days that I've had so far.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, so yeah, I think you did a great job, honestly,
Oh,
and
thank you.
I'm super happy with today.
Now I want you to come back.
As we headed back to the ferry, it hit me why this day felt different. The whole day, I had constantly been taken somewhere I didn't expect, by someone who knew exactly where to look. And that's why this day stayed with me. Anyone can show you places, but it's different when someone shows you a place they genuinely care about.
You did a very good job here. Like
The only thing I regret is not having you with more hours, with more time to show you everything.
I truly recommend you guys, like, genuinely. So thank you so much.
Next time,
Yes.
more days, okay?
Yeah, for sure.
Berna didn't just take us around Porto Santo, he helped us experience the parts that people miss. So if you're ever in Madeira or Porto Santo and want an experience like this, I have linked Bravelanders below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and watch another one right here. Thank you.